Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your DSTV stream code at dstv.stream.tv. Follow these simple instructions to enjoy your favorite shows and channels effortlessly. Step 1. Access the DSTV Stream website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL dstv.stream.tv. This will take you to the DSTV Stream activation page. Step 2. Sign in to your DSTV account. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In option. Enter your registered email address and password to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts. Step 3. Find your activation code. Once you're logged in, look for the Activate Device section. Here, you will see a unique activation code. This code is necessary for linking your device to your DSTV account. Step 4. Access your device. Now, grab the device you wish to activate. This could be a smart TV, a streaming device, or a compatible mobile app. Step 5. Enter the activation code. On your device, open the DSTV Stream app or select the DSTV channel from the streaming menu. You will be prompted to enter the activation code. Type in the code exactly as it appears on the screen. Step 6. Confirm activation. After entering the code, click the Activate button. Your device will communicate with the DSTV servers to complete the activation process. Wait a moment while the confirmation is processed. Step 7. Start streaming. Once the activation is confirmed, you will receive a notification. You can now enjoy streaming your favorite DSTV content on your device. Remember, if you encounter any issues, make sure your device is connected to the internet and try the activation process again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on more helpful guides and tips.